topic is note values from grade 1. Before I start the video, I request all of you guys to please watch the videos online. Don't download it, as watching it online will help me to grow my channel. And for sure, if I will be able to grow my channel, I can help you guys more with the more videos about theory and practical as well. So once more, I request you to watch it online. And now, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So today's topic is note values. So you can see here there are notes given here. This is called semi-breve. Semi-breve, this note lasts for 4 beats. So that means if we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play it on 1 and then it stays till 4. Okay. So on 1, like you clap on 1 and the sound goes till 4. Next is your minim. Minim means if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you play it on 1 and then you play it on 3. So the value goes travel till 2 beats. Okay, it will be equal till 2 beats. Next you have crotchet beats. Crotchet beats, if you say example 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. So you play on every count. You play it on every count. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Now quavers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you divide them more. So you put an and, okay, in between them. So you play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and basically everything becomes double the time of the previous note. So in other ways we call this as whole note, semi-breve. Minim we call half note, and crotchets we call quarter note, and quiver we call eighth note. So sometimes in the video, in future videos or right now, I might call a whole note. So whole note, so that makes your semi-breve only. Okay, and if I say half note, that makes your minim, and if I say quarter note, that is your crotchet note, and if I say eighth note, that means it's your quavers. Okay, so let's move further. If you have any question, doubt, anything, just let me know in the comment section. The note that lasts for 3 crotchet beats is dotted minim. Okay, dotted minim. So dot means whenever you see this dot, this means you add the half value of the note on which it has been put it there. So you can see this is minim is for 2 beats. So if you put a dot with that, that makes half of 2 is your 1. So that these two makes your 3 beats. So you show here. Okay. Yes. So just go through it one more time and then you start your exercises. So let's start the exercises. You can see the examples here, they have added here. So let's see here. So the whole note, or you say semi-breve, this equals to 4 beats, right? So 4 beats plus your minim or half note is equals to 2 beats. So that makes your 6 crotchet beats. Okay, next is your 1 minim, that equals to 2, and 1 crotchet beat equals to 1. So that makes your 3 crotchet beats. Okay guys, sometimes there may be a typing error or something, or voice error, so please ignore that. The main my motive is to clear your concept about things. If your concepts are clear, doesn't matter what I'm writing here, what I'm doing here. So please, if you understand the concept, just work on your practices. Okay, next we have a dotted minim. Dotted minim means 2 is minim and dot plus 1 makes 3. So this is 3 plus 2 quavers, or 2 quavers make 1 crotchet beat. So 1 crotchet. Or if you want to add, you can add like this, half plus half. that makes 1. So here 4 crochet beads. Okay, so there are 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes here 3 crochet beads. Next again 3 dotted minimum. 3 plus 2 makes 5 crochet beads. Next is your 2 plus 4 makes your 6 crochet beads. Okay, now this is your 1 plus half plus half makes your total 2 crochet beads. Okay, now let's do further. They say write 6 crochet G's. 6 crochet G's. So 1 is already written here. Next G crochet needs. So 6. So G is second line here. So you can make one more G here. Okay. Then you can make 1 G here. See, they're not saying which G you have to make. They said make 6 crochet G's. So we're just making it. So now how long would be the length? Length would be the as long as your 1 octave. Okay, so if you're making it G here, so that means the stem will go till the another G. Okay, so we made 4. Let's make one last one. Again, please remember, clear your concept. Don't say the stems are not straight and all those things. When you do it with a pencil and a paper, you can make it straight. Okay, let's make 3 minim or E's and 2 semi-brave D's. Okay, so minim is E's, so this is treble clef. So first line, this is 1 minim. That's your second minim, and then your third minim. 2 semi-brave D's, 1 D is here this, and 1 D is here. Okay, next we have write 3 dotted minim F's and dotted minim G's. Okay, this is your base clef. So first F, let's make it here, dotted minim. Okay, second F, let's make it here, and let's make one more here. Let's set 3 dotted minims. Now 2 dotted G's. So first line and second space. Okay, so that's your 2 dotted G's and 3 dotted F's. Last one we have write 8 quavers on C, beam together in 2's. Okay, so we have to make 8 quavers on C only. So let's take this C. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now they ask us to beam them together in 2. So let's beam them together in 2's. Here they finish. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now again, please don't look at the straight, not straight beam, not all these straight stems are not straight. Clear your concept. That's the main motive. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding to this, let me know in the comment section. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.